SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Hi, I'm Matt from SolveYourTech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off the flash notification on an iPhone 13. If this guide helped you out, please consider subscribing and liking this video. Now let's check out the tutorial. If you want to turn on or turn off the flash notification setting on your iPhone 13, then you need to open the Settings app, scroll down and select the Accessibility option, scroll down and choose Audio and Visual in the Hearing section, scroll to the bottom and tap LED Flash for Alerts, then tap the LED Flash for Alerts button to turn it on. It's turned on in the image right now, and if I also wanted to use the Flash while unlocked or Flash in silent mode option, then I could turn on those settings as well.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit SolveYourTech.com.